ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸರ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ಕನ್ಸಲ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೆ, ಇವತ್ತು ನಾನು ಅವಲಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೋಡಿ, ನಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡೋಸ್ ರೋಡ್ ಒಂದು 3 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಏರಿಯಾ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ PG ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ. If you are looking for a budget-friendly plot with a strong future appreciation in East Bengaluru, this could be the right opportunity. Today, we are presenting a north-facing residential plot for sale in Avalalli, located just 3 km from Old Meadows Road. Avalalli is fast-developing residential zone because of its close proximity to Krishnarajapuram, which is just about 7 km away. It also has easy access to key areas like Whitefield and Outer Ring Road, making it attractive for both end users and investors. Another strong advantage is its proximity to East Point Hospital, along with schools, PG accommodations, and daily essential nearby. The area is already surrounded by houses and rental buildings, which means you are not buying an isolated layout. Property details: plot size 30 by 40, north facing, Panchayat Raj Khata. This property comes under Panchayat Raj limits, which means lower entry price compared to BBMP limits, higher scope of future appreciation, ideal for first time investors. At the same time, the location already has residential activity, making it suitable for immediate construction. The quoted price is 6,500 per square feet, which is very competitive for a north-facing plot near Old Meadows Road connectivity. ಸೈಟ್ ವಿಸಿಟ್ಗಾಗಿ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಮುಂಚಿತವಾಗಿ ಕರೆ ಮಾಡಿ. ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನೋಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ಇದು ನಂದಿ ಬಾಗಿಲು, ದಿ ಡೋರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪ್ರೈಮ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟೀಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.